Welcome, my dear little children, to our English class. Today I am going to teach you all another story. From the text, The Little Reader. The name of the story is A Loud Noise. Boom, boom, boom. It was a loud noise. Who was making that noise? The insects want to know. The bee came out to look. The grasshopper hopped out to look. The butterfly woke up to look. Soon the ants crawled out to look. There is no one around. It must be the elephants. Walking to the pond, says the ant. Now let's look at the sight words. W-A-S was. M-U-S-T must. S-O-O-N soon. T-H-A-T that. L-O-O-K look. T-O do. Hope you liked today's story. We'll be learning more new stories. Till then, take care and bye-bye.